do we really want to calculate each and every calories by for breakfast I'll eat so much, for lunch I need to eat so much, and for dinner I need to eat so much. And if you are overweighing, and if you are just thinking about weight loss, and just imagine why you gained the weight. Okay, so first point, you need to figure it out, why I am gaining this amount of weight and this amount of fat, why it's happening to my body. First figure it out, and then you can think, how can I reduce this? Okay, once your mindset is clear, then the work is almost done there. I need you to do a just simple task. I need you to grab a pen and a paper right now. Yes, did you not done that? Yes, please take a pen and paper and just ask yourself why. Okay, why I want to lose weight or why I want to gain weight. Your goal will be different. First figure it out, that why. And second point, you need to focus on a simple step. How can I do this? Okay, does it want required or any terms of tools, like you need to do exercise? Absolutely sure, you need to be physically active. First point is, you need to know why. Okay, why I'm gaining weight, why I need to lose weight, what is the end motto. You need to visualize that. That is the first point. And second point is, how can I do this? Okay, so how can I do this? Figure it out, write down whatever you need to do. And the third point is, could anyone can assist me during this journey? If you want to hire a coach, or if you want someone assistance, write down their names and write down their services, what they provide. And if you are okay, if you are financially stable to offer or take their services, and go ahead and take their services and plan it out each and individually. And now comes the question, and I get the frequent questions like, I need to follow diet. So how should the diet should look like? How can I eat, and what you can do? So this comes to you. Diet is something which you can't, if I give you the strict 1500 overall calorie diet, and you can follow it, but still what happens is very simple thing, you can't sustain it for a long period. You need to build a solid lifestyle where your rest of your life you can follow that. Okay, so that is a very simple thing which I can say right now. If you need a advanced thinking and putting into all macros, carbs so much, protein so much, fat so much, I need to combine and eat this for my breakfast, I need to combine this and eat should for my lunch and my supper, like that. Okay, so just figure it out why, and then just start eating little bit less. Okay, if you are trying to lose weight, don't binge everything into your tummy and you feel, I'm not losing weight. How you can lose weight? Oh, that's a very simple calculation. Your body required just this much of energy, but you are providing so much of energy through food, so there is a gap here. So what you can do is, if you balance this, you will be stay at that particular weight. If you reduce this and work more, you will increase your workload. And if you reduce your food intake and you manage that periodically, then you will lose weight. So there is a simple calculation. And rest, enjoy your life. Okay, don't just fall down and just crumbling about, I mean diet, it feels very dizzy for me, like that, like this, that this, blah blah blah. No, don't at all worry. Just enjoy the process and do some lot of physical activities. Go for a run, jog, jump, or attend my live classes, which is absolutely 4 trial classes is free. And you can jump into my 21 days fitness challenge. I'll leave the link below for the registration, and it's absolutely help you like anything. If you are someone just planning to start your journey, so you can do that. And that's it. Have a great lifestyle. Okay, build the healthy lifestyle. And I will be back with another important video. See you. Bye, take care.